Hello, my dear parents and students. My name is Qianzhu Vivian Huang. You can call me Vivian, and I'm delighted to be one of the instructors at 2026 Fengye College Source Shore Summer Camp in Brossard. A little bit about myself. I hold a master degree in fashion design from Italy as well as diploma in computer graphics from Montreal, Canada. Since 2017, I have been teaching art, fashion design, and portfolio development, helping students successfully gain admission to leading art and design schools around the world. Well, over the years, my students have received offers from prestigious institutions such as the University of the Arts London in the UK and the Academy of Fine Arts in Rome and the Brella Academy of Fine Arts in Milan, Italy, which is actually my alma mater. Then the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology in Australia, the Academy of Art University in San Francisco, US, and many offers. Before I returned into education, I spent 3 years working as a product UX designer at Emerson Asmatech, a global software and technology company listed on the Nasdaq in the United States. Therefore, I worked with talented professionals from diverse international backgrounds, including graduates from McGill University, University of Montreal, and MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Many of my colleagues, my ex-colleagues, were graduates from top-ranked universities worldwide. Now, I've returned to being an art educator, where I focus on blending AI technology with design, creativity, and teaching. Before my recent 3 years as a product UX designer, I was also a former fashion graphic designer. Building on that experience, I bring all that experience back into education to guide my students, helping students explore their creativity, building confidence, and develop future-ready skills. Meanwhile, my dear parents and students, I'd like to share with you my educational philosophy. I have always been a strong believer in the value of education, not because a prestigious school automatically graduates success, but because it gives young people earlier access to outstanding peers. Valuable resources, experience, mentors, and greater opportunities. That's super important. Many people like to point to a few famous college dropouts as proof that education is unnecessary. However, I would like to say the often overlooked and important fact. Most people who have changed the world began their journeys within exceptional educational and professional communities. For instance, Elon Musk, I believe everyone knows him. The guy who is one of the world's richest individuals, a billionaire. Well, just think about my dear parents and students. Had he not attended the University of Pennsylvania, he might never have created people. Now, would we have the Tesla or SpaceX we know today? By the way, the SpaceX IPO already open. You can buy it. We'll sample whatever the platform. I just bought it. So okay. Another thing. It being said, top universities often give access to influential networks crucial for future success, right? Interesting. I also want to share the same family name as Jensen Huang. Maybe we were family 500 years ago. Okay, I'm kidding, but it's true because Jason Huang's family name is Huang. I also am Vivian Huang, right? So we also know who is Jason Huang, right? Jensen Huang is often called the father of the GPU, right? Had Jason Huang not pursued his graduate studies at Stanford, he might never have founded NVIDIA, right? Think about it. So now, one of the world's leading giants in the semiconductor industry. Well, my dears, I'd like to provide you the last examples. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is one of my biggest idol, right? It's true because I'm the designer. Steve Jobs is greatest designer ever. I like Apple, this brand, so much. All of my equipment are Apple, Mac, iPad, iWatch, whatever I can buy. So Steve Jobs did not complete his college degree, but his experience at Reed College profoundly shaped his appreciation for design, creativity, and innovation, which later influenced the creation of Apple products. It's true. For the above, their success came from talent, courage, and persistence. But they also benefited from being surrounded by exceptional people and opportunities. Okay, a prestigious school does not guarantee success, we know that, but it can increase the probability of success. Yeah. A diploma is not the destination, but the community around it often shapes the journey. The true value of education is not only knowledge, I think, but access to better ideas, stronger networks, and greater opportunities. Think about Elon Musk, Jason Huang, and Steve Jobs. They just have greater opportunities. That's why they had that environment and they get successful, right? So, education is not about turning every child into the next Elon Musk, Jason Huang, or Steve Jobs. But it is about allowing them to learn alongside outstanding people, complete at higher levels, and contribute to the future. For mostly families, I'm saying about you, education remains one of the most accessible, effective, and rewarding pathways for upward growth. And my first quote is, a prestigious school is not a guarantee of success, but it is often the most accessible gateway toward plus opportunities. Okay, wow, I just told a long story and so many useful things, maybe, I don't know. So, okay, I will introduce our program. The first program for students ages 14 to 70. For students ages 14 to 70, this program is designed for those interested in art, design, fashion, digital media, animation, and AI-powered creativity. So I believe our students will explore fashion college and mood board, design AI poster and graphic design, AI animation and visual storytelling, creative portfolio development, design thinking, and visual communication. So this program is ideal for students who want to strengthen their creative skills, build a portfolio. Oh, beautiful portfolio. I'm the professional. I know. How can we get offer? So how can we do the portfolio? How can we be achievement, right? And prepare for future studies in art, design, media, or related field. And another thing for the youngest ages of child. Oh well, for the students ages 7 to 13, students will enjoying painting tie-dye with me, and art projects will be fun, right? Creative crafts and mixed media activities, beginner friendly, yeah, very nice. AI art, creation, storytelling, and imagination-based projects, yeah. Our goal is to help children build confidence, express their ideas, develop problem-solving skills. You know, I'm also a UX designer, so I know develop problem-solving skills. I know that's that's my previous 3 years of job. So, well, and discover the joy of creativity through both traditional art and modern technologies. Okay, guys. At the end, I'd like to share my portfolio website, personal website with you. You can, yeah, just let you know. Feel free to reach out to me. I also have graphic design work partially. I've done design for local entrepreneurs, small business owners, likewise yogatribes.com, and some repair shops, mechanic repair shops, and motels. I did some graphic design work for them. So if you need any design services, yeah, feel free to contact me. I also currently I'm a contractor at SME Work Inc. My role is graphic AI data trainer. So, well, my child was also born here in Quebec, so she's also a Quebecois. So the reason I do education is also because of her. I wanna our child go outside to the world. I believe children is our future. I want to all Quebecois kids, whatever, no matter their background, just step into the world and becomes outstanding talents and contribute more to this world, whether that's getting into top schools in the US, UK, whatever, in Europe, or here in Canada, so that they can truly thrive. Thank you. Okay, guys, I just talking a lot. I know it's super long video. Thank you for your patience to watching all of them. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you in this summer, and I will explore your creativity, develop your new skills, and create some new meaningful things, do some projects. Yeah, see you in this summer 2026 Fengye College Social Summer Camp in Brossard. I'm Vivian. I can't wait to create, learn, and innovate together with you. See you soon.